All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, from mining the coin, to staking the coin, to using that credit card from BlockFi credit card, to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. The Drip Network, getting money 1%. We're going to be talking about that soon. Also, power nodes, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're talking about CRO, CRO, crypto.com. What's going on with this coin? Going to go to the Twitter account. The coin is down right this second, so it could be a good discount buy. Also, we're going to talk about how to make money on TikTok. 24-year-old making around $8,600 a month, 2 to 3 hours a day on TikTok. So we're going to talk about that too. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. So, with that, we like to bring different coins. We like to talk about different projects. Next few days, we're going to be talking about drip, so I'm just warming everybody up. 1% every single day you get, so we'll go over that in a few days. With that, let's go over to crypto.com, CRO. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, crypto.com, CRO number 17. It's traded at about 43 cents right now. It's down 4%, 4.5%. in the last 24 hours. Clicking it up here in the last 24 hours, it says it's up like 0.2%, 43 cents. All right, taking a look here. The last day, the token has actually went up, and then it's kind of came back down. What about the last 7 days? Yeah, last 7 days, it had this big spike here the last little bit and came back down. So it's kind of went down, back up, and back down, 43 cents. Okay, CRO. What about the holders of the CRO? Click in the 3 months. All right, here we go. We got 115,000 holders 90 days ago. 202, not quite 100,000, about 85,000. 85,000 goes into 115, about 70%. We have 70% more holders of CRO in the last 90 days. That's pretty good. Not 10% or 15%. That's actually really good. The advertisement that you see on TV, last time I said I was going to play it and I didn't play it. I will play it for sure at the end of the video or in the middle. So we're going to come back to that. A couple updates here on the Twitter account. U.S. Congressman limits central bank CBDC. The mayor plans to invest 1% of the treasury into Bitcoin. And Singapore shuts down Bitcoin ATMs. So kind of interesting stuff there. We got some new USD trading pairs that are now available on crypto.com exchange. CRV, ICP, THETH, AXS, and CELR. All switched with the pair with the USDC. So it says right here, spot trading, now pairs. And it's kind of going through the ones that they're doing. But if you see right here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. All 5 are going right through this. CRV, IPC. So it's kind of going a little faster than I can say. But pretty awesome. That's more improvements. We like improvements. The deposits and withdrawals of CSPR via Casper have just been enabled on Crypto.com app. So another awesome stuff. Crypto.com Casper deposits withdrawal is enabled. We also know Dogecoin Mars is on here. More great information. Deposits and withdrawals. Moonriver has just been enabled on Crypto.com. So more good stuff. Crypto.com has now added Moonriver. Deposits, withdrawals are enabled. MOVR, Moonriver. The new inter-protocol swaps are live. CVX, and CRV. Right here, you got those. So all kinds of good stuff going on right this second. Going over to the website. I don't know if you've been to Crypto.com. It's at the top. It's got your products. It's got company. It's got learn. We're going to come back to this advertisement. By the way, I'm big into football. The playoffs are going on last Saturday and Sunday. I think I saw that commercial from Crypto.com at least 2 or 3 times on Saturday, 2 to 3 times on Sunday, and then Monday. It wasn't Monday Night Football. It was actually the playoffs. The last game on the playoffs was on Monday. They put it Monday night. Saw the commercial on Monday night. You know, when it comes time to the Super Bowl, Crypto.com and FTX are going to advertise crazily. The best commercial is probably going to be a crypto commercial. Just saying, Frank's Crypto Corner. You heard it here first. The world's fastest growing crypto app joined 10 mil using buying and selling 250 cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend the Crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back. Grow your portfolio by receiving rewards at up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. Did you hear that? 14.5% on your crypto assets. You can do that with Crypto.com. showing you here on your phone, your total balances, your different investments. Buy crypto at a true cost. Securely buy, sell, store, send, and track. Buy and sell 250 cryptocurrencies and 20 fiat currencies using bank transfers or using your credit card or debit card. So this crypto.com is pretty cool. Also, little side note, the Staples Center in Los Angeles where the Lakers play, well, it got bought out by crypto.com, 20-year deal. So for 20 years, when you go see LeBron James and the Lakers play, I don't think LeBron's going to play for 20 more years, but for 20 more years, you're going to be in the crypto.com arena. And guess what? They're going to have all kinds of promotions. And everybody in the stands is going to say, crypto.com, let's go on my phone. Let's get an account. 14.5% interest you can make on that. Awesome stuff. All right. This is a big one. Can you make money on TikTok? So a 24-year-old was doing waitressing, lost her job, and, well, she's making a lot of money with TikTok. On this show, we like to talk about buying the coin, staking the coin, different projects. This is right in the realm of making money, so let's see what this has to say. This 24-year-old lost her waitressing job. Now she makes $8,600 per month in passive income. I just work 2 hours a day. Well, there she is. She used to be a waitress. Photos by Shannon Smith. It says, when the pandemic hit, I lost both my waitressing and my personal training jobs and built an online fitness business I've always dreamed of. I sold 90-day fitness programs, which included custom workouts, meal plans, coaching via Zoom. Zoom's a big thing. Now, she made between $1,000 and $2,000 a month and supplemented my income and saving, and then with the COVID stimulus check. So $1,000 to $2,000 a month. At the end, she was working 10 hours a day and she got burned out. So after a year of trying, she decided to part the ways with the fitness business and to look another way to make money. For months, she has seen affiliate marketing, people who get paid commission by online retailers for website traffic or sales on the TikTok feed. And she was skeptical at first, but she had nothing to lose. She took an online course. They convinced that the affiliate marketing could be worthwhile, so she decided to jump all in. She started in July, so it hasn't even been a year. She used her TikTok and her Instagram account to market affiliate products, and she began posting many times a day, giving tips on how to start side hustles, earn passive income, growing your presence online. All the while, she was promoting a business of wealth building tools and programs. By October, she amassed over 43,000 followers on TikTok, her largest platform. Well, since then, she makes an average of about $8,600 a month. Let's blow that up for everybody. $8,600 a month in passive income, aka commissions off of affiliate posts. So she's making a decent amount of money there. If you told me a year ago that I could be doing what I love, creating helpful content right from my phone and work 2 hours a day, I would have laughed. I have the freedom now that I've always wanted at 24 years old and was able to move into a beautiful apartment in New York City. I get to travel frequently and my life no longer revolves around work. So pretty good stuff. You don't need to have a TikTok presence to build affiliate marketing. You can do it through a website and social media. You know, my whole point on this is just to kind of show you that there's ways to make money out there. A lot of people are doing the TikTok. This person has had some success with it. Dig a little deeper if you're into this. I see TikTok all the time, all kinds of different ads, people shooting pool and stuff. So it is a kind of a nice platform that could change somebody's life. She was waitressing and doing fitness. So, all right. TikTok, nodes, drip, network, buying the coin, staking the coin, cryptocurrency, buying the best one. There's 6,000 some cryptocurrencies. Can you find the next Shiba Inu and get in there and it does 1,000 times X in a year and you put so much money in there and stuff like that, you know, all kinds of good stuff. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right, let's head back over to CRO, do a price prediction and kind of dig in a little bit. All right, here we go. This is what I saw Saturday and Sunday. You're probably going to see it during the Super Bowl. Here we go.
History is filled with almosts. With those who almost adventured, who almost achieved, but ultimately, for them it proved to be too much. Then there are others. The ones who embrace the moment and commit. And in these moments of truth, these men and women, these mere mortals, just like you and me, as they peer over the edge, they calm their minds and steel their nerves with 4 simple words that have been whispered by the intrepid since the time of the Romans. Fortune favors the brave.
So I said a while back I was going to play the video, and I didn't do it on the last one, so I wanted to make sure I did it on this one. So there you go. There's the Crypto.com commercial. Saw it about 5 or 6 times during Saturday and Sunday and Monday. Back over here at the price prediction. So here we are at 43 cents. Coin is slightly down about 4 or 5 cents. What do I think? I think this coin can easily go to 50 or 55 cents by the end of the first quarter. All our information is for educational purposes only, but there's a lot of things going on. The Super Bowl's coming. Crypto.com has talked about how they're going to do advertisements on the Super Bowl. Super Bowl is in February. That's next month. This coin can actually get a lot of traction. So with that, again, right here, Cosmos is up 7% in the last 24 hours. Here's some discount buys. Shiba's down 10%. Polygon's down 11%. Avalanche is down 10%. Dogecoin is down 11%. Polkadot's up 10%. XRP's down 5%. Solana's down 12%. Cardano's down 2%. Ethereum's down 7%. And Bitcoin is at 40,900, down 4%. Man, oh man, will that Bitcoin ever get back up to 50? Will that Bitcoin ever get back to 60? I mean, if it went to 60 right now, that would be a 50% gain from 40 to 60. But holy cow, I don't know. So anyways, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Click right here to see our most recent video. We like to bring you a video every single day at noon so we can keep you up to date what's going on. Bonus videos around 5 and 8 o'clock. This one's a little bit late tonight, but we still wanted to bring it. All right, everybody, we'll see you tomorrow. You have a fantastic evening.